In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an e-commerce website in Odoo. We'll start inside your Odoo dashboard. Log in, then open the website module. This is your central workspace for designing and managing your site. Click Create to start a new website and choose a template or theme that fits your brand. You can preview themes before committing, so look for one that supports a clean product grid, clear headings, and easy navigation. Don't worry, colors, fonts, and images can be customized later. Once your theme is set, use the drag and drop editor to add your key pages: home, shop, about, and contact. Drop in text blocks, banners, and image sections on your homepage to highlight your value proposition. For the shop page, keep layout simple so products remain the focus. On your about page, add a concise brand story and any trust signals. The contact page should include a form and your essential business details. Keep copy scannable and consistent with your brand voice. Next, head to the e-commerce module to add your products. Go to Products and click Create. Enter a clear product name, price, and a detailed description that answers common questions. Upload high-quality images with good lighting and consistent backgrounds. Multiple angles help customers feel confident. Save each product as you go to build your catalog efficiently. Now configure how you'll get paid. In the website app, go to Configuration, then Payment Acquirers. Enable the methods you want to accept, such as credit card, PayPal, or cash on delivery. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect each provider and use test mode while you verify the checkout flow. Make sure your currency, taxes, and confirmation messages are correct before going live. Set up shipping under website, configuration, then delivery methods. Create delivery options that match how you fulfill orders: standard, express, or local pickup. Name them clearly, set pricing rules, and add any conditions like free shipping above a certain order value. Before publishing, customize your cart and checkout. Adjust which fields are required, enable guest checkout if you prefer, and confirm that shipping and payment choices display clearly. Keep the checkout minimal to reduce friction. Preview your site on both desktop and mobile using the built-in preview tools. Check headings, buttons, product images, and the entire checkout experience on smaller screens. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish to make your e-commerce site live. You can always return to edit pages, products, and settings as your store grows.